Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about answering questions that start with can you using yes, I can or no, I can't. Before we begin, let's discuss when to use yes, I can and no, I can't to answer questions that begin with can you. We use yes, I can in response to the question saying that you can do a particular action that is being asked. We use no, I can't in response to the question saying that you cannot do a particular action that is being asked. For example, can you hit a ball? Yes, I can. Can you hit a ball? No, I can't. Can you kick a ball? Yes, I can. Can you kick a ball? No, I can't. Can you shoot a ball? Yes, I can. Can you shoot a ball? No, I can't. Can you catch a ball? Yes, I can. Can you catch a ball? No, I can't. Can you bounce a ball? Yes, I can. Can you bounce a ball? No, I can't. Can you roll a ball? Yes, I can. Can you roll a ball? No, I can't. Can you throw a ball? Yes, I can. Can you throw a ball? No, I can't. Now that you know how to answer questions that start with can you in a sentence, let's practice using them in simple exercises. Let's do this! Can you catch a ball? Yes, I can. Can you kick a ball? No, I can't. Can you bounce a ball? Yes, I can. Can you shoot a ball? Yes, I can. Can you roll a ball? No, I can't. Can you throw a ball? Yes, I can. Can you catch a ball? No, I can't. Can you hit a ball? Yes, I can. Can you kick a ball? Yes, I can. Can you throw a ball? No, I can't. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!